In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go back from 3D to 2D in AutoCAD. If you've been orbiting around a model and suddenly need a clean, flat plan view for drafting, annotations, or printing, there's a quick and reliable way to snap your view back to a classic 2D top-down orientation without changing your geometry. You're not converting or deleting anything. You're simply telling AutoCAD to reorient the camera to look straight down at the drawing. Start by placing your cursor in the command line and type Plan, then press Enter. This command is designed specifically to align your current view. After you press Enter, type W and press Enter again. W stands for World, which tells AutoCAD to use the World Coordinate System as the reference. In other words, it resets your view to the original top view that most people think of as 2D mode. At this point, your screen should look flat again, with X and Y moving left, right, and up, down, and panning and zooming will feel like you're back in a typical drafting environment. It's important to understand what just happened. You haven't flattened, exploded, or changed any 3D objects. All your 3D geometry is still there, fully intact. You've only realigned the view. Think of it like standing above your model and looking straight down from the top. That's why you'll see edges and outlines, but you won't see depth unless you orbit again. If you prefer using on-screen controls, you can also rotate your camera until you're looking straight down, or simply click T key on the view cube located at the top right of the drawing area. Clicking top achieves the same top-down orientation as the Plan command with W, and it's a handy visual way to confirm you're in the correct view. Whether you choose the command line method or the view cube, the goal is identical. Return the display to a 2D style plan view. Once you're back in this view, adding dimensions, placing text, and aligning objects will behave the way you expect in a 2D workflow. If the view ever becomes skewed again after orbiting, just repeat the same quick sequence. Type Plan, press Enter, then W, and press Enter. It's a fast, dependable habit that keeps your orientation consistent. That's all it takes to move from 3D back to a clean, top-down 2D view in AutoCAD while keeping your model untouched. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting.